Hello candidates, I am going to dictate you a passage from Legal Progressive magazine. So please get ready for the dictation. The dictation will start after 15 seconds. The subject matter of challenge in these appeals is the final judgment and order dated 20th December 2011 passed by the Punjab and Haryana High Court in the different letters patent appeals filed by the appellants herein. The first civil appeal arising out of SLP number 54 of 2012 has been filed by the Speaker of the Haryana Vidhan Sabha against the judgment and order passed by the Punjab and Haryana High Court in his letters patent appeal number 366 of 2011. By the said judgment, the division bench not only dismissed the appeal and did not choose to interfere with the directions given by the learned single judge to the Speaker to decide the petitions for disqualification of 5 MLAs within a period of 4 months, but in addition directed that pending such decision, the 5 MLAs in question would stand disqualified from effectively functioning as members of the Haryana Vidhan Sabha, aggravated by the interim directions purportedly given under Order 41, Rule 33 of the Code of Civil Procedure. The Speaker filed SLP number 54 of 2012 challenging the same. The other 3 special leave petitions were filed by the 5 MLAs who were prevented from performing their functions as members of the assembly by the directions contained in the impugned judgment. While SLP number 55 of 2012 was filed by Narendra Singh and another SLP numbers 59 of 2012 were filed by Dharam Singh and another, and Jille Ram Sharma being aggravated by the impugned judgment and order for the same reasons as contained in the special leave petition filed by Narendra Singh and another. The focal point of challenge in all these appeals, therefore, is the orders passed by the division bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court while disposing of the latter's patent appeals, preventing the 5 named MLAs who are also appellants before us from effectively discharging their functions as members of the Vidhan Sabha. The facts narrated above give rise to the following substantial questions of law of public importance, namely whether the High Court, in exercise of its powers under Article 226 and 227 of the Constitution, has the jurisdiction to issue directions to a member under the Constitution.